Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
College. So today I'm going to show you how you can weld the copper pipe. So copper pipe, it is used in the gas installation, pneumatics and other things. So here I have the map. It is the tank which contains the gas used to weld the copper. It produces heat, and this is electrode you can use to weld the copper or join two copper pipe. So this is the torch of this map, and you just connect it. This tank connected to the torch very well. Yeah, and also you see very well. So this is the match, the spark or igniter. See the igniter, you open and ignite here in order to get the flame. So because the igniter it is not working properly, we will use the manual to make the flame.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
So you're going to just, first of all, you see it very well. You open here and on. You see? And you come and hit there in the pipe. And you just put the electrode because it is hot. After it becomes very hot, you come and electrode here. The time to visit our platform of Kigali-Engineers-College, you make sure you subscribe, comment and share to your friends, because it is where we produce the many skills about the technology and the technical that can help you in the normal life. So thank you so much.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more technical training videos.
So we finish welding the pipe. So after we are going to connect the flexible pipe of the gas, and after we will test if there is no linkage of the gas. So we observe the pipe, it is already connected well. Let's test if there is any linkage. If there is no frame, it's a good. And also you see here, there is no frame. And also we come and open here, and also we produce the frame. See, so it's open. see the blue frame. And also cross. So thank you so much. I think you get something in this session. So shall we meet the next time? Thank you.